HogOn Welding School creed is turning a trade into a business. What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning. Someone asked me about my creed. Asked me, what is your creed? What would your creed be? That what my creed would be. Turning a trade into a business, because my independent school is going to be something that's going to be unorthodox. You know, most schools that you go to or that you participate in, they teach you how to work for someone else. Point blank period. They teach you how to get a job. With HogOn Welding School, we're going to teach you how to get a job, but we're going to teach you how to start a business. You see what I'm saying? We're going to teach you how to grow and be a company if you choose to. If it's in you to be that opportunity is going to be laying there. So you're going to have opportunity to say, hey, I want to do the business side with the welding side. Or you can just say, hey, I just want to get some money up first. Let me do the welding side. It's going to be an opportunity that way you can grow yourself, because I want to see you win. You know, I don't want to keep you trapped in a box like an employee. That's why we say we got team members. So when you get involved into the independent school, you become a member and you help us grow. We help you grow. And that way you can be able to build something for your family, for your name, for your last name, something you can pass down. I mean, that's important to me. We're realizing now that people are getting laid off from jobs. People are getting eviction notices because they were dependent on jobs, and they were dependent on their skills that they went to school for, that they've been doing for years. The company that had been showing them love because they was faithful, and now a situation happened and they got to get laid off, or they ain't getting no time, or things ain't working out the way they was, or you've been paying your rent on time for 3 years straight and you miss 1 month, or you had to pay half for 1 month and now they want to kick you out. We have to learn how to be independent, how to start our businesses. And it's simple. You don't have to have a big business to make good money, to make bill money, because that's what you're doing with a job. You're making bill money. We can make a bill money by being independent. We just got to think outside of the box. Stop thinking that it can't work. Stop listening to the TV, listening to the media tell you how you got to do it, listening to someone else. You know, it's like you going to a school. He's teaching you how to be an entrepreneur, this and this in a class that he's teaching you. If it was so important to him to do that, won't you think he'll be doing that? He won't be in no classroom. So it's some stuff that he's teaching you that he's not even using, or it's not even, or can't really be applied in the field. You see what I'm saying? So you got to use what's good and take out what's bad. So learn from those who are actually in motion. That's what I have learned. I look up to people that I'll probably never meet, but I follow them and I get their information and I read their materials, because that's what I want to surround myself with. You see what I'm saying? You have to give yourself new information. You have to have a new mindset, and you have to be willing to get a new mindset. You know what I mean? So my creed is turning a trade into a business. That's what I want to do, because that's what I did. So my thing is, the best thing that I can teach you is what I know, how to get my hog on. Black Phoenix.